Hello students, welcome to online classes. I hope you all had completed the holiday homework which you got. So today we will start chapter number 15, the ultimate machine. So how you have to learn this chapter I will tell you today. So first point is an adult human body has 206 bones whereas a newborn baby has 300 bones. So how question can come like this: how many bones does an adult human body have? So answer to this question is 206 bones. And how many bones a newborn baby has? Answer is 300 bones. Next question can be like this: which is the hardest bone in the human body? So answer to this question is jawbone. Now next question is how many bones a human skull is made of? So answer is 22 bones. Next one is dash can stop all our bodily functions. So answer to this question is sneezing. Next question: dash is the most sensitive finger on the human hand. Answer is forefinger. Next, dash is the strongest muscle of the body. Or question can come like this also: which is the strongest muscle of the body? Answer is tongue. Next question is how many hairs are found on a human scalp? Answer is about 1 lakh hairs are found on the human scalp. Next, human speech is the outcome of interaction of how many muscles? Answer will be 72 different muscles. Next one: blindness in one eye cause only about dash loss of the total vision. Answer is 1/5. Next, human breathes about dash times a year. Answer is 10 million times. Next, hair and dash are made from a same substance. Answer is fingernails. Next question is the weight of the human body is dash times more than that of the brain. Answer is 40 times. Next one is dash bones are stronger than the building material concrete. Answer is human thigh bone. Next one is hair of the wise people has more dash and dash. Answer is zinc and copper. Next one is almost 2 million sweat glands are found all over the body. So how question can come like from this point: how many sweat glands are found all over the body? Answer to this question is almost 2 million sweat glands are there on the human body. Next, power of hearing diminish after eating heavy meals. So question can come from this point like this: when the power of hearing get diminished? Answer is after eating a heavy meal. Next one: the greatest number of hormones are secreted by dash gland. Answer is pituitary gland. Next is the heart is a muscle. So question can come like this: the heart is a dash. Answer is the heart is a muscle. Or question can come like this: the dash is a muscle. So answer can be heart. Now from nuggets, how you have to learn: a child has dash milk teeth while an adult has dash teeth. So a child has 20 milk teeth while an adult has 32 teeth. So like this you have to learn this chapter number 15. Now come to chapter number 16, celebrating brilliance. So in this chapter we will discuss about some of the famous awards which are given to the famous personalities for their outstanding works in the various fields. So first one is Nobel Prize Award. So this award is given to the personalities who had done their outstanding work in the field of physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, economics, and the promotion of peace. Next one is Academy Award. What is this Academy Award? So answer is, it is one of the award given every year by the US Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Science for outstanding achievement in the field of film production. Third one is Abel Prize. So what is Abel Prize? This award is given for outstanding work in the field of mathematics. It was instituted by a Norwegian government. Fourth one is Ordre des Arts et des Lettres. So this award is one of the most distinguished cultural award of France. Next, fifth one is Congressional Gold Medal. It is the highest civilian honor of the US. The recipient of this award is selected by the United States Senate. Next is Booker's Prize, Man's Booker Prize. This prize is given for writing the best fictional literature. And last one is Pulitzer Prize. It is one of the various annual prizes of American literature, journalism, and music. This award was instituted by J. Pulitzer, an American newspaper publisher. So you have to learn all the prizes and awards which are given to the famous personalities for achievement in the various fields. And how you have to learn, that I already told you. Question can come like this also. What is Nobel Prize? You have to learn this full paragraph. Or question can come like this also. Which award is given to the personalities for doing outstanding work in physics, chemistry, etc. So answer is Nobel Prize. Like this also question can come. So you have to learn this full chapter. So today we will finish our class now. Rest of the part we will do in the next video.